Welcome to another video. In this one I'll show you how to do number sequence where you have numbers from 1 to thousands in the usual way, quick way, and also more flexible, interesting ways that make you really stand out in the office, so you know what you're doing with Microsoft Excel. You become the Excel wizard of the office. Yeah, this should be the catchphrase. I will make you the Excel wizard, so everyone comes to you to ask questions about Excel, but it's not bad to know Excel. It can help you get a lot of jobs. And actually, I do Excel a lot of time. I did today most of the job I did. The most important thing I did today was Excel at work. So let's check the video. So let's get into it. I have here an Excel spreadsheet and I want to show you how to create a sequence. So I call this ID, let's call it capital ID, capital ID. And now I want to start numbering here. I already have the row number, as you see there. And you can really just type 1, 2, and select both, then double click in the corner on the right corner here to fill this whole table with the sequence. So it's automatically generating the sequence. The problem is that if I add a new task here, task 12, this one doesn't get a sequence. You would have to remember to drag the task there, and if you don't do the 1 and 2 filling, it will copy the row, but you can press on this little arrow here and choose fill series. If you have a potentially long table, one thing I would normally do is just grab some of these and really drag it all the way down to the long way down there and ignore the fact that this data is not filled. I could copy only this part if I wanted to, but it doesn't look so good. So I will show you now another way. I will show you how to do this in the Office 365, and this is, by the way, free. This is the free edition of Excel on the web. Let's change the language. Okay, I changed the language now because it was a different language. Okay, so I have here the Microsoft Excel 365, and here you can use the sequence formula, which is a bit nicer, but still it's really not such a big deal. And you can give it an ID, and let's say here, let's use the sequence. And you want to generate the number of rows for this sequence. Here actually I can count the number of rows on column B, but let's say I want to generate 10 for now, or 15. Let's say 20. One column starting at 1 and stepping one by one. So we got the sequence. Okay, so this is our sequence here. It generated IDs from 1 to 20. And this is all fine and it's not a problem, but if I delete one of these rows, for example, the sequence is updated. And another thing, if I have more data here, more than 20, oops, went too far on that one. If I have more than 20 rows, it will not update the sequence because it doesn't know that I have more tasks here. It only did 20 from at the beginning. But this is not a problem, it's an easy fix now. Look here. So I go in the sequence tab. There is no zoom in. Okay. I go in the sequence tab, and instead of 20, the fixed number, I will choose count A, non-empty cells, and I will choose the B colon B, and B colon B means this whole column here. Okay, so this is how it looks like. The B colon B is all this column, all the rows in that column. And so what happened when I clicked somewhere else, I have to use escape to get out of the function. Okay, so we have here the sequence, and then the second one, they are all like this. And actually I should make here -1 because I have the first row is the title. So it updated for me, and if I add task 27, 11%, it added it added the sequence automatically. If I delete task 21, for example, now they are out of sync with the numbers here, but they are updated automatically. So this is really great. If I delete all these tasks from here, I always have the sequence synchronized. This is it. That's how you synchronize. Let's make this one a little bit nicer. Add progress bars to the numbers here, percentages. Let's see what happens if you put 200%. It's already smart enough to fill the percentage for me. So this is pretty nice. The new Office 365 actually options are pretty good. So 200%, it went higher than 100%, so they are all lower now. And they are all dynamically adjusted. And the tasks also, it's going to get removed. These are the lists of tasks, and when I add a new task, it will increase the sequence automatically, and this is great. This is how it's supposed to work like. Thanks for watching. That's it. That's how easy it is to make number sequences in Microsoft Excel. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. Use the comment section below to write how this video helped you, or if it didn't help you, why it didn't help you, and what kind of videos would you like to see in the future to help you get better at Microsoft Excel, Office in general. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. Don't know, my face is red. Got burned by the sun. Forgot to put sun cream. Welcome to another video. In this one I'll show you how. For this one I'll have a bit of coffee. Okay. Straight back. Welcome to another video. In this one I will show you how to do what. Welcome to another video. In this one I will show you, that's it. This how easy it is to make sequence. That's how easy it is to make the sequences